make sure that it is above board. Identity consultation services 24/7, 365 days a year in the event that you have an identity theft issue. But what we do that's better than anybody else is that we provide you with full service restoration. That in the event that your identity is stolen, somebody becomes you, we have licensed private investigators that will do whatever it takes for as long as it takes to restore your identity back to pre-theft status. You can't get any better than that right there. Because Lord knows I don't have the time to try to restore my identity. Do you know how many hours that is? I heard it's about 600 hours to try to do that. I don't have the time. But what I do have is ID Shield, and those private investigators have the time. And then we have a $3 million identity fraud protection plan. For expenses that you may incur as a result of your identity being stolen. Now, we also give you, besides that, we give you Trend Micro for your computers. I have it on my phone, my HP computer, and my iPad.